So we all know what artificial intelligence is. It's all about data science, deep learning, machine learning, and it is used almost in our day-to-day life also. But to empower AI or to use AI more efficiently, we use a part that is called IoT or Internet of Things. Internet of Things are all used almost everywhere in smart home, wearables, smart city, smart supply chain, connected health, connected car, almost every smart device in and around us. But what is IoT? IoT, the Internet of Things, is the network of physical objects or things embedded with electronic software, sensors, and network connectivity, which enables these objects to collect and exchange data. IoT allows objects to be sensed and controlled remotely across existing network infrastructure, creating opportunities for more direct integration between the physical world and computer-based systems and resulting in improved efficiency, accuracy, and economic benefit. Things in the IoT sense can refer to a wide variety of devices such as heart monitoring implants, biochip transponders on farm animals, electric lamps in coastal waters, automobiles with built-in sensors, DNA analysis devices for environmental food pathogen monitoring, or field operation devices that assist firefighters in search and rescue operation. These devices collect useful data with the help of various existing technologies and then autonomously flow the data between other devices. Let us take an example. In a day-to-day life in smart cities, cars, smart manufacturing, transportation, healthcare, home appliances, agriculture, wearables, energy management, this almost every smart device use IoT. For example, in a smart home, smart door lock, smart doors, and smart thermostat, this collect all the data and send it to the server, so the server can analyze and tell us if the machine is in good health or not. In our smart devices and in our personal devices such as our smartphones, wearables, voice assistants, smart vision, hearable, and in our home smart devices such as hubs and controllers, home appliances such as smart washing machine, smart plugs, meters, smart charging, smart lighting and climate, and smart entertainment devices all collect data and send the data to the main server. So the main server can analyze the data and send back to the machine for working more efficiently and for the machine to be in a good health condition. Let us take an example. Suppose in an AC manufacturing industry, both the manufacturing machine and the belt have sensors attached. They continuously send data regarding the machine health and the production specifics to the manufacturer to identify issues beforehand. A barcode is attached to each product before leaving the belt. It contains the product code, manufacturer details, special instructions, etc. The manufacturer uses this data to identify where the product was distributed and track the retailer's inventory. Hence, the manufacturer can make the product running out of stock available. Next, these products are packed and parceled to different retailers. Each retailer has a barcode reader to track the products coming from different manufacturers, manage inventory, check special instructions, many more. The compressor of the air conditioner has an embedded sensor that emits data regarding its health and temperature. This data is not analyzed continuously, allowing the customer care to contact you before the repair work in time. According to the graph, during 2015, there are only 3.8 billion devices that use IoT, but it has increased to 8.3 billion in the last year, and it is estimated that it will increase to 21.5 billion till the end of 2025. The main big servers such as Opera, Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, and Microsoft Edge. These servers expend huge amount of data to use IoT.